My journey as a poet started when I was only 15, 16 year old. I'm a voracious reader. Writing comes later. So when I was reading Gitanjali, I was so enamored by Rabindranath Tagore that, I started jotting down my own thoughts. And at the age of 16, I started writing, but I was a very introvert child and I didn't share my poetry with many. Only some close friends knew that I was into writing. So while I was studying, while I was in college, while I was getting trained as a civil servant, every time, I really found time to read poetry and also write poetry. Where I am a 84 batch officer. So before that, I must tell you that I started my career not as a lecturer, as a junior research fellow. I did my master's from Banaras Hindu University. I did BSc, and then my friends were doing. They said, science say it is difficult to, science is a very exhaustive subject. So if you are aspiring to become a civil servant, why don't you take political science? So I immediately, like a sponge, I said, if my friends are doing political science, I will also do it. Then I told my father that I want to do political science. He said, don't you dare, because, you have a science background. When you will join masters, all BA honors, political science students would be there, and you will be like a naive person there. It is very easy to fail. That struck me. Said I must prove him wrong, and I decided no, I will take political science, and I joined masters. And the moment I went to the social science faculty and in the classroom, I realized that I have made a mistake. It's not a simple subject because they were teaching political thinkers, and it was going above my head. I had never heard of Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau, or Plato and Socrates. I had very little inkling that this would be one of the subjects, and it will really. I was bogged down. I came back to the hostel. I was a hostel student, and I realized that I cannot compete with any of the classmates who had done BA honors. But then I decided that once I have plunged into this, I went to the library, got my books issued. BA honors, I did all the course while lying down on my bed. So I'm like that. I take adverse comments as a challenge, and then subsequently, to cut the long story short, I topped the university. I got the first division. Only one person in the batch got first class was I, because I feel that science gives you a analytical mind. It makes you hardworking. So all this happened, and my poetry continued. Then, immediately after topping the university, I was offered a job of a junior research fellow in an advanced study center. I joined, and in right earnest, I started, writing. In 6 months' time, I had a published paper. So my friends were applying for lectureship. I also applied, and as luck could have it, I was appointed as a lecturer at the age of 21 and a half. So I started teaching political science. To the undergraduates who were 17, 18 year old. So they were like the students were always I was very popular with the students because maybe I was also very young at that time. And while teaching, I prepared for civil services. My only crux is that if you decide to do something, you will do it. You will find time. Rajesh ji was saying about time management. That is the crux of my life, that I really like to manage my time properly. So my poetry started long back while I was, then I appeared for civil services, got into it, and went to a training college. It's called National Academy of Direct Taxes. So it was a very tight schedule, and I was supposed to learn new languages, like new subjects like accountancy, advanced law, and so many other subjects which were totally alien to me. I didn't know accountancy. I had a background of science and also political science. So there also I was told that it is very difficult for you to clear this, because till you don't clear your departmental exams, there are three chains. You are not posted in the field. Even if you are posted, you lose your seniority. So there also I learned new subjects, and I got a gold medal there also. So once in a life you decide that you have to do it, then you do it properly. And during those days I was writing poetry. I was posted in Allahabad in 1986 after 18 months rigorous training, and I got a chance to meet Mahadevi Verma. And that was the turning point of my serious poetry. She was my role model. I was very, very influenced by her poetry. रहस्यवादी कवि मुझे बहुत पसंद थे. Then I took my manuscript to her, the very first meeting, and I said, would you find time to go through my poetry? And if you like, then could you write a foreword for me? She bluntly said, because you are a very high and mighty officer, if I don't like your poetry, I'm not going to write anything. But nevertheless, and I'm not feeling well also. She was very ill at that time. But she said that nevertheless, you leave your manuscript. Let me see. Immediately as a response, I said, if you don't like my poetry, मैं इसको ठंडे बिस्तर के अंदर छुपा के रख दूंगी बॉक्स में, कभी भी पोइट्री नहीं लिखूंगी. लिखूंगी या ना लिखूं, मैं पब्लिश नहीं करूंगी. After a few days, I got a call from her secretary saying that she wants to meet me. She had not only written the foreword, she said that I have also named your book. Antas Se is my first collection, and the name comes from Mahadevi Verma. The foreword is written by her. The book is dedicated to her. So my journey as a poet started without struggling. And she called her publisher and said that ये मेरी बेटी है और ये गली गली दौड़ नहीं सकती और दौड़ेगी नहीं, ये पोएट है, इसकी पोएट्री की बुक तुम पब्लिश कर दो. And she told me one thing, you are a poet and remember this, life may throw many challenges, but don't stop writing poetry. And whenever I don't find time to write or whenever I'm into big mess or chaos which I create myself, then I always remember that she said that you are a poet and never stop writing. So there are gaps, but I never stopped writing. That's how, and this way, my first book happened. And it was published without struggling. Otherwise, poet अपनी manuscript ले लेके घूमते और उनकी किताब नहीं publish होती है. So this is what I wanted to say.